Hi everyone, I thought I'd bring you in for a little bit of a video because I've got something else to show you that I've been told I can do. I've got the gearbox mount off and I thought, well, it's a shame that I can't polybush it. In the previous video, some guys actually mentioned you can get polybushes for that part. Now, they sent me a link and I checked it out, and here I have two polybushes for the gearbox mount. So I'm going to do that. They're from Flowflex, they're not from Flowflex, they're from Duraflex, if I remember if it's pronounced rightly. And I'm going to change them up. I've got my 12-ton press here ready, so I'm going to use that to get them out. But it does look like, I must admit, if this don't work, it does look like you can cut them out, and they look quite easy to cut out, to be honest. But I'm going to try the press and see how it handles it. And I just thought I'd show you the process. So I'm going to set it up like so. Get my safety goggles, bring you a bit closer so you can see. I've got like a little bushing cut to slot over it, and then because it's higher than what it needs to be, I've got make sure it's done up tight enough. And then what we're going to do, without smacking myself on the head, right, it's nearly on, so I'm just going to line up a bit more. Let's get you in a bit closer. I'm going to stand up more room. You can see it's actually pushing. Started to push the bush out. Now we need something to actually get the rest of it out. See, the cut on there is just a little bit too wide. The diameter is just a bit wider than this, so it's pushed it down but not right through, but it has worked. So I've got to find a socket or something. So I found a socket, 32mm, it's the right diameter today. It just sits nicely over the bushing. So all I need to do now, so what we'll have to do is just carefully sit over the lip, hold it with the other hand, and just bear with it. Move the camera, give you a better angle. There you go. One out. Then get the new one. Get the sleeve out. wedged it in by hand. Don't know if you see that. Little cut or a bit of something to slot over that. Maybe the old bushing. Yeah, that'd work, I'd imagine. Can't see why it wouldn't. Or this bush removal, flat side down to it, put a socket over it. Check it's gone all the way through, which it has. Nice one. Then we just get the sleeve. Okay, I'm going to go and grab some white grease. White copper grease. I'm going to go and grab some grease. Okay, so I've got some white grease. Just going to spray a bit over it. Just spray a little bit inside the actual bushing, just to help with it. And there's one in. Give it a clean up and it's all good. Now do the same on the rear one. Easy enough. Okay, so I have found a bigger cup from a bush removal kit. It's slightly bigger than the diameter I'm actually after, but give it a start. If I can't get this one out, what I'll do is I'll cut it out and I'll show you that. But if I can try and get the actual bush out itself as much as I can, line it up. This bit of kit, okay, I paid, I think it comes to about £70, so it weren't all that expensive. So what I'll do is in the description I'll put a link to where you can buy one. It's ideal for bush removals, bearing kits, Yeah, look at that, it's moving, no problem. Look at that, easy. And that's as far as I can get it. So, let's see if I can do something with it. It's on its way. This, I must say, is in the kit as well. I will put a link to everything I use in my videos. There's always links in the description to where you can buy it all. So I'm going to try this little one. It's just a little bit short, smaller than the diameter, but you never know. It's working, you can see that. And there's that one out. Easy enough, look at there. It's got these little ribs and that's what it clings to. So get the bigger bush, take the little sleeve out, get this piece. I don't even need to lube them up to get them in. Oh dear, sounds funny. So crack it up a little bit. Nearly through. Just struggling that last little bit. Get the bigger cup out. Push it through. Nicely done. Same as before with the metal sleeve. Just to help it. Right, it's maxed out there. So lift it up a bit. Do that. use the centre of this to help wedge this down. And there it is, all done. So I can put that back on the car and it'll be fine. Give it a clean up and we're good to go. Like I say, in the description I'll put a link to this press. They're about 70 quid, give or take, and I'll also put a link to the bushes that I used here. That was a nice, quick and easy job. But if you ain't got a press, I'd imagine you can cut these out. I can take these off now and I can see where I'm looking on the camera. So I'd imagine you can get these out, like cut the bushes out. Where's the actual bush? So what I'm thinking, if you haven't, like I say, if you ain't got a press, what you could do is maybe cut down here and down here, and then the bush will pop out itself and you'd be left with the sleeve in place. And then what you want to do then is just gently cut the sleeve and weaken it on a couple of sides, like say this side and this side, and then hit it with a hammer and it should pop out. Like I say, I've got the use of a press. I've got myself a little press to help with things like this, and it's worked a treat. So as always guys, if you like these videos, hit the like button down below. It helps the channel grow, and also hit the subscribe button as well, wherever that be, either here or here. So the next video I'll be showing you, we'll be putting the subframe back in. I just thought this would, I'm going to do these while they're off. I was told that you can get them, I've got them, and I've replaced them. So there they are. Chuff with that, clean it up and get it all back into place. So thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now. I did forget to mention one thing in all that. If you want to see me put this back in, it will be going back in when I put the subframe back in. So don't think I've left that bit out. So it will be going back in. This video was merely to show you how to remove the old bushes and put these ones in. So to see this go back in, be sure to check out the video when it comes online. And I don't think I've forgotten anything else. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.